Hey everyone, you are in your entrance slips here. Wait. That's not it. That's not it. I said you are in your entrance slips here. All right. I think this is it. Yes, here we go. All right. Um, yeah, lesson number 6 here. It's a fast little unit that we're doing here. So, yeah, here we go. Let's get into it here. So, use the number line diagram below to answer the following questions. All right. Now, it should be filled in. I'm going to have you fill it in with me so you can see what we are after in here. Because clearly we don't know the length of each segment. We don't even see a letter K in there anywhere. We don't know exactly. So let's go into this here. So here's what I'd like you to do. You're going to label it with me. Now, when we give you these questions, like when you see in your classwork, it's going to be filled in already. But I want to walk you through it here. So here's what I'd like you to do. Go ahead. You can go ahead and slap a 0 right there in the middle. And then here's what I want you to do. You're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 marks and put a 1 that's there. All right. Go to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 marks. All right. And put a -1 that is there. All right. Okay, so we're after scale here, all right? And they're asking for what the length of each segment is. That is the exact same thing as figuring out what your scale is, all right? So for example, if we go backwards here, if we go up, all right, find ourselves a number line that's there. No, that's not gonna work. Oh my goodness, I had an example for you and it wasn't the case. Actually, we can do that here. We had it right here for you. Remember how we put a 30 that was out here? You remember the 30? And then you had a -30. Okay, and then so that tells you that we're counting by 15s. So the length of each segment, that's your scale. So that's what we're dealing with here today. So let's go back on down and let's get that in there. So what we're asking for is, hey, how far is it from here to here? Well, remember the entire distance here is a 1. So we broke it up into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 groups. So using just like if you had a tape diagram here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, you've got, oh, each is worth 1/6. All right, so yes, it is 1/6. It's a fraction of the amount. Remember, we're smaller than 1 here, so it can't be bigger than 1. What does point K represent? Well, let's put point K on here. Let's go ahead. Let's put K right there. All right. Take a moment here. Take a moment here. Where does K represent? Well, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6. Yeah. So again, fractions. Fractions we're dealing with here, people. The opposite of K. Okay, well, remember, opposites are all about changing the signs because it's the same distance from 0 on a number line. So if I've got a positive 5, 6, the opposite would be it's a negative 5, 6. And then let's go here. Locate the opposite of point K on the number line and label it point L. Okay, so like we said, it's negative 5, 6. So we're gonna go up to our number line, -1, -2, -3, -4. This is negative 5, 6. All right, there's your L. Again, keep in mind, the next one would be 6, 6. All right. And that is one whole. All right, if it came this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. All right, 6, 6 is the same as 1. So fractional amounts, people, that's what we're after today. And the big thing here is length of each segment. That's also the same thing as your scale. All right, people, get on into that classwork. Check them with the answer key, please.